I can't do that.
You can't what?
I can't swirl my head like you did. I can't.
But can you do
I'm
this?
trying to figure out
I
what
tried.
you're talking
But Mama, can you do this? Look.
I can't do what you did. You swirl your head.
I'm trying to figure out what you're talking about.
You swirl your head how you like it. Do it how you like it.
She's just exaggerating. Chill out, man. How the fuck you like it?
I swear your head just came loose.
He is a grown man.
I got hinge kebabs on my bobble head.
You must have springs or something that are coming back your shoulders.
Do that thing you just do. Call him where you
I'm eating fart pellets, okay?
Call where you just called him.
What fart pellets? Let me see. Beans, good for your heart. The more you eat, the more you
Fart!